Hi, my name is Brigi, alias Diamond Painting by Bibi. So welcome to my channel. This is the first time when I'm trying to talk in a video. Please be kind to me, I'm really nervous. For the first time, I am trying a work in progress WIP Chat video. Look at this beauty. I will be working on my old diamond painting and sharing a few things about myself. So, a little about me. I live in a beautiful city, Cluj-Napoca, in Romania. I have two wonderful sons. I work as a massage therapist and I am totally addicted to diamond painting. In this short video, I want to tell you how my diamond painting journey started. And honestly, it's all my husband's fault. One day, he came home from a shopping trip with a little diamond painting kit he found at a local shopping store. Of course, he got it for the kids, but we opened together. And well, we couldn't stop. The three of us spent 4 hours working on that tiny kit. I loved it so much. Then I started searching. Where can I find more? What is this called? Where does it come from? This happened in the summer of 2023. By fall, I ordered my first big kit online, and then the second one and the third. You know how this goes. Sometime in the spring of 2024, I was working on a painting while talking with my husband about the future. For a long time, I had been thinking about changing professions. Don't get me wrong, I really love my job. Really love. But since it's physically demanding, it's not something I can do forever. I know. I'm small and skinny, small but mighty. And then during this conversation, my 7-year-old boy suddenly stood in front of me and said, "Mommy, why don't you make videos of your diamond paintings and get likes on YouTube?" My husband and I looked at each other and just said, little one, you might be onto something. And that's how it all started. The next day I made my first short video. It's still on my channel to this day. So that's how my diamond painting journey began. Thank you for being here with me today. And a special thanks to everyone who has been following my journey. The next part is coming soon. Until then, I would love to hear how did your diamond painting journey begin. Have a wonderful day. Bye.